Okay, everyone. So we're going to talk about the basic structure of the nervous system. Now, for my class, I don't teach too much about the peripheral nervous system. I just teach mostly about the central nervous system, but I cover some of the basics of the peripheral nervous system. So let's look at the basics. What you need to know. The nervous system is divided into two parts. There is the central nervous system and the peripheral nervous system. Now, the central nervous system is going to be the brain and the spinal cord, and the peripheral nervous system is any of the nerves that extend off the spinal cord. Now, periphery means on the edge of, whereas central obviously means central. So, information comes through receptors like these, the eyes. Now, the eyes are attached to the optic nerve, which then go to the back of the brain, to the occipital lobe. However, we're not going to talk about the the cranial nerves for now. We're just going to talk about the central and peripheral nervous systems. Cranial nerves are a whole other kettle of fish. So, information comes in through receptors like eyes, smell, ears, pressure sensors, and heat sensors. There are many kinds of sensors. Those are receptors. Information comes through receptors. We receive information like an antenna. I guess this is antenna in my language. So we receive information like an antenna. That information comes through. It is then processed. It goes through those peripheral nerves up the spinal cord and to the brain where it's processed. So that is the afferent division of the peripheral nervous system. It is then processed in the brain. That's the central nervous system. Goes back down the spinal cord and then goes out. Now, the going out is the efferent. Okay, afferent is receiving. Efferent is going out. If you look at English grammar, when you affect change in the world, what happens when you affect change in the world? You're doing something about it. I'm going to become effective. I'm going to be an effective leader. So the process of going out from a central location to the world is the efferent nervous system. The afferent is the receptive, being receiving. I am affected by that. Mary was affected by John's speech. Affect means emotion, so how you respond to the environment. That is the basic division of the nervous system, and then the afferent and efferent nervous systems. Hope this helped a lot. Comments down below. I'm editing all the comments, so you'll see them later. Any questions, basic questions for undergraduate psychology, I'll answer. Anything more advanced is going to have to go somewhere else. Okay, thanks.